We are at Russell's truck stop, somewhere on the border of Texas and New Mexico, and the wind is blowing 300 miles an hour, as you can see by that flag up there. We have had a tailwind ever since we left Albuquerque, and we're getting almost 8 miles to the gallon. Normally we get about 6.5. So I stopped over there to get fuel, and it wouldn't take my special discount card to go inside, so I said, nope, I'm making fuel now. So the wind is tough. So it's Thursday, October 12th, and we're heading to Texas. First we got to see Russell's truck stop. Oh, there's poop down there. Oh, jeez, glad you showed it to me. Russell's truck stop, which has a museum of ancient cars. Vintage cars. So we'll see. Ah. Huh? The what? This is historic 66. We are on Route 66. Yeah. They got a nice store here, huh?
Fox News playing.
Yeah. Donuts. They won't take our coupon though. Krispy Kremes. Yeah, I sure am hungry, but we got another hour or so to make it to our must-stop area, which is the Texas Big Steak House in Amarillo. Oh, look at this. Russell's Cafe. Russell's Restaurant.
Subway.
Yeah, Subway. And a restroom. And a free car museum. All right. All right. Pretty good. Hey. It's okay to take pictures, right?
Absolutely.
Oh, good. Man,
Elvis and Maryland.
look at this. Oh, what nice cars they have in here. Man. This is nice.
Very nice.
You can go around to the back if you want to, but 58 Chevrolet Impala with Elvis. Look at that convertible. 57 Ford Thunderbird pink. That is nice. Now that Corvette is good. 55 Corvette. Big 210 horsepower. What is that? 58 Oldsmobile?
53.
A 53 Oldsmobile. Oh, yes it is.
I only know that because the
Turn
sign
right.
says it.
And we're missing. We'll have to come back down the aisle on that one.
Yeah.
60 Chevrolet convertible.
Guess I'll get a
Now,
picture
that's a
of that
lot of
since
horsepower
that's
on
the
that
year
one.
that I was born.
That's yours? That's your baby?
I don't really like red.
72. Oh man, 54 Pontiac Star Chief convertible. Look at that. 122 horsepower. Took a while to get that one rolling. 27 Model T. That one's for sale, babe. Only $12,000.
Really?
Yeah. We usually sell for $360.
Wow.
Runs on gasoline, kerosene, or ethanol. We might better get that. That looks really nice. They might take 10 for it. You can drive it home behind the motorhome. probably could do 30 miles an hour.
Look at all the old jukeboxes. Where's the beef?
Here, take the wishbone and bring me much luck.
Oh, look at all these pictures. They did like Marilyn Monroe, didn't they?
Anything better to do?
No. Man.
The old gas pumps. James Dean. Nothing but Marilyn Monroe in here, and Elvis.
There's a little Shirley Temple up there.
I don't see where Shirley. All I see is Marilyn Monroe.
By James Dean, the second shelf down on the right.
Oh, right there.
They've tucked her in there.
Okay.
Look at how handsome Elvis was.
Well, that's your opinion. And 99% of all the women in the world. Man, look at the back of these cars now. Nice truck. They had a big bed on the back of that truck, didn't they? And the Duke. John Wayne, James Dean. All the jukeboxes. Now that's a convertible.
Rogers and Dale Evans. I don't really remember them.
I remember them. Nice Corvette. That's it. All these options.
$3,300, man. There's a lot of money back then.
Yeah, it was. Man. The Beatles. Man, they got so much stuff in here.
Yeah, they do.
Look at that. No cash registers. Gasoline, the way they used to pump it
Wow.
in the good old days. They measured it out in the can, in the bottle. All right, we're going to start here at the 59 Corvette. 283. 289 is what I remember. Man, it's pretty colors.
That is a pretty car.
Yeah. Is that what you call baby blue? With the blue interior? We'll come around the other side here in a second. A doggy post. Hey, babe.
There's a NASA.
Hey, I need a hat. I lost my NASA hat. Last day or two at the festival kind of blew away. Who got my favorite hat? Look at that. Taking the gasoline by a horse.
Fuel delivery.
Right. First they had the horse delivery, with the dispensary in the back. Then they had the tanker trucks. Motor oil on the front, kerosene, and then gasoline. Look at all this. Big boy. All right. motorcycles. I had one of them Yamahas. Now it's an antique. Twin cylinder. Didn't have any of these though.
This looks a lot better. 75 doesn't seem that old.
No, it doesn't.
No.
1 year away from 16.
Now.
75 gold wing. Yeah. No Harley. They call it a Hummer. Huh. Piece of junk is what it was. Hummed right away. Okay. Catch up with Catherine. The other side of the gas tankers. That's funny. Farm delivery. Oh, these model trucks. Man, they got enough hats. Almost like my hat collection. Elvis. Nice Corvette. 160 on the speedometer.
That old dentist chair. Leaning over and spitting over the sink.
Yeah. 29 model A. That's the dentist chair and then the barber chair.
Yeah.
Oh, hi. Is she a cheerleader?
She is right there. I guess we go this way.
Model A. Huh?
I guess we go this way and then.
Yeah. All these old gas pumps that they've restored. 27 cents. I remember it was 25 cents. Well, at one time they had gas wars and they'd get like 19 cents a gallon. Shows you how old I am, right? I had one of these pedal cars.
You rode down Main Street.
Yep, in Jessup, Georgia. Daddy took his tag off his car. He said, I couldn't get on the highway unless I had a tag. He took his tag off his car, changed it one time, and put it on the back of my pedal car. And they missed me, and somebody from downtown had to bring me home with my pedal car because I'd pedal all the way down the main street. And Jessup, Mama said that they said I was pedaling right down the middle of the main street with my pedal car. I had me a tag on the back of it.
Would have been nice to have a picture of that.
Look at this.
So uncomfortable for a stroller compared to what kids nowadays.
Yeah. We'll have to come back around and see the front of these.
Yeah. Pontiac what, I wonder? Pontiac.
They like Marilyn Monroe, that's for sure.
Yeah.
51. That's a 51 Ford. And they are all such nice cars. Dies after a heart attack. Yeah, I don't think it was a heart attack. Ford Mustang, one of the first ones, convertible. The King. Well, this is Elvis and Marilyn Monroe Man, look at these colors. They might be bringing back some of these colors, eh? The pinks and the blues. Ford-O-Matic. Crown Victoria. And this is a Ford. I don't know what kind of Ford that is. What is that? I guess it'll tell us around the front.
I wonder if Trey would even know what the dial phone is.
Huh?
That black dial phone. I wonder if Trey and his friends would even know what that is.
Yeah. Raring to go. Man. You say he was good looking, eh?
Oh yeah, especially
Oh,
when
yeah.
he's real young.
Well, in his show, he'd get up and shake his butt one time, and all the women from 6 years old to 90 years old would go crazy. I've never seen such. And I went to his concert in Columbia. Couldn't believe all those crazy women. Didn't make any difference how young or how old they were. He was making them go crazy. All right. 51 Ford V8 engine with a 2-barrel carburetor. Two two-barrel carbs. And Elbrock heads. Man. I got some of my tools here. Where's my big hammer? Ford Fairlane, that's what that was, 56. They're kind of partial to the Ford. I don't see too many Chevys in here, except for the Corvettes. Another Fairlane. Now, can you imagine going into the car dealer in the mid-50s on the showroom, this was sitting there, and you say, $2,500 is yours. Man. Look at these colors, though. They need to bring back these retro colors. Look at that blue and the pink. The whites and the black even look good. Old Oldsmobile 88. And they knew what to put the decal, the ornaments on them, didn't they?
Yeah.
Automatic, 230 horsepower. The Fairlane, 56. Sunliner convertible. Man, that was a whole 100 horsepower. And of course, they got the old Jeep. They haven't changed them much, have they? A 1948. They haven't changed them much at all, have they? Yeah. Okay. They got models up here everywhere. Man, what a museum.
Someday maybe if we're in something smaller, we can do a Route 66 trip.
Yep. Well, you want to visit the restroom here?